Let's go! Hey guys, real quick video because Elon Musk is completely losing it right now. So we need to talk about this right now because he is potentially going to make Tesla dump the Bitcoin holdings just because of, I don't know, just his own ego basically, because people are questioning him pumping Dogecoin and not adopting Bitcoin and not even understanding Bitcoin. So guys, we need to talk about this. First off, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe right now, bringing you this breaking news. We're also, of course, going to talk about Bitcoin. Let's begin by talking about the Bitcoin price here. And you can see that due to all of the recent stuff that's been happening here within the last basically hour or so, Bitcoin took a big dip here. So we went down all the way down to the $45,000. And you can see that we are now right at the very dollar finding support here. So yeah, big congratulations to everyone who have been watching my levels here and you were aware that this was going to be a support level here. Now, the thing is this going to hold? I think that, I don't want to see consolidation below the orange box here. If we see consolidation below the orange box, let's say that we were to go up here, perhaps even break this, get rejected by the edge of the orange box, and then consolidate. In that case, I am expecting us to reach the red line here eventually. So yeah, that's not a good look for Bitcoin right now. I still think overall the bullish trend and this bull market is still intact unless we go below the orange or the red line here. This is what I've been saying. We are still intact when it comes to the macro trend of Bitcoin. We're still in a bull market. If we close below the orange box here at $50,000, I think that we are likely to go and test this, but this is most likely going to hold if we go down and test this. But yeah, if we break down below this, that is when I'm starting to get a bit worried. Of course, I am going to keep you updated on this, but for now, everything is looking good. And this is just meaningless FUD. Elon Musk is just losing it right now. He is putting his own ego forward and yeah, it's very sad to see. Now on Ethereum, you can see that we are also now testing the edge of the orange box right here. You can see that we are finding support, and I think that this is going to be strong on Ethereum. So I am expecting this to hold pretty well for Ethereum. So I think that that is going to be a good thing to actually pay attention to right now, because people were very bullish up here when I was a little bit, telling people to keep their calm and that we are most likely going to have a bit of consolidation. Now, this is the opportunity to buy here, in my opinion. And I don't mean right now specifically. I'm just saying, look, when things are going down, that is generally when you want to be buying. And guys, if you want to start trading, new and existing users are able to get $2,000 on Femex, and new users are able to get $1,610. But I recommend Femex right now because you can get $2,000 even if you are a existing user. So it's not just for new users as opposed to the bonus for Bybit. Now, let's take a look at what Elon Musk has been doing. And he had been talking about Bitcoin, trash talking Bitcoin pretty much recently here on Twitter. Yeah, Peter McCormack said that. What did he say? He said, Elon Musk, the perfect troll is one where people don't know whether it is a troll or not. Your recent poor informed criticism of Bitcoin plus support for Doge may be the perfect troll, or you might actually believe this. And so Elon Musk responded and said, obnoxious threads like this make me want to go all in Doge. And then also he continued by saying Bitcoin is actually highly centralized, with supermajority controlled by a handful of big mining companies. A single coal mine in Xinjiang flooded, almost killing miners, and Bitcoin hash rate dropped 35%. Sounds decentralized to you. Hey, cryptocurrency experts, ever heard of PayPal? It's possible. Maybe that I know that you realize how money works. So I don't know what's going on here, but he is very serious about pushing Doge, and him saying that he has been in talks with the developers. There's just everything he is putting out right now. I don't know if he just wants to, he wants to make fun of the crypto space, or he just wants attention. I don't know what it is, guys. I don't know what it is. But here's the thing, it does have an effect on the market. So of course I need to bring this to you. Now, of course, in the long run, it doesn't matter. Bitcoin does not matter what Elon Musk believes or what he doesn't believe. Bitcoin is still going to be the best performing asset in history according to what we've been seeing so far and what I think is going to happen here moving forward. So this is just a blip in the overall trajectory of Bitcoin. But yeah, right now, definitely it does have a big impact. And someone said, Elon is choosing Doge because Dogecoin is better than Bitcoin in many fundamental ways. Dogecoin has faster transaction speeds, lower fees, and less environmental impact than Bitcoin. Doge is affordable for regular folks because it's high supply. People's crypto. So he continues talking about this. And when it comes to the wallets holding a lot of Dogecoin, he says, my understanding is that the big accounts are exchanges. It would be good to confirm though. I'm told the biggest one is Robinhood. And so Binance CZ, who is of course the CEO of the biggest exchange, so you would imagine that they were going to have the most Doge on their exchange. But they came out and said that no, it's not Binance, and he doubts it is an exchange. And you can pretty much look at the behavior of the addresses and rule out, or pretty much with a high degree of certainty rule out, that it is an exchange. So it's probably not an exchange. So I don't know where he's getting that info from. So maybe it is Robinhood. Maybe he has some insight into that. Who knows? I'm sure that that should be traceable in some way. But yeah, but this is where it really gets interesting. So he says, Mr. Whale says, Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they found out that Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. And he says, indeed. And so people come out and say that this has been the plan all along. And if so, very vicious plan. So I don't know what's going on with Elon Musk, guys. But yeah, I just thought that I was going to bring this to you. It doesn't change anything for Bitcoin long term. Bitcoin is still going to do very well. But right now, this is stuff you need to know. So what do you think about this? Let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Hey, by the way, check out the big Hello Pal review I did 1 hour ago. So make sure to check this one out, and I will see you right there.